Hello everyone, my name is Pascal Gaudreau. I'm the sales director at Muxlab and welcome to NAB 2018. What you're seeing here is our actual live demo of our brand new SDI over IP ST2110 extender kit, TX and RX. It'll be able also to be managed by Atmos system. So these device over here, based on a 10 gigabit SFP, will actually extend you a full ST2110, fully compatible. We follow all the protocols that have been presented by the SEMTI Association. So this could be used for any type of application in a broadcast environment where you have legacy camera going into the TX, then going to the switch to go back to the newly installed ST2010 mixers, video mixers, or other device. They have a very small form factor, and like I said, you can actually fully control them with any management system or orchestrator. They have SDI in, SDI out, and we will be offering them also with HDMI because there's even a demand for that in the broadcast industry now. So those actually have fiber SFP. We will have product also with a copper Cat5 cable. So this is basically the core of our live demo at NAB 2018.